I couldn't get enough of this seasoned vegetable rice when I was in Barbados over the summer, so obviously I had to come back and make it myself. As always, I'm going to start by prepping my ingredients. I've got half of a medium brown onion that I'm just going to chop up. I'm also going to chop up half of a red bell pepper. You can't forget your Scotch bonnet for some heat, and I'm also going to smash 2 garlic cloves and dice them nice and finely. Grab a pot and heat up some coconut oil, and then I'm going to start by sauteing my onion and my garlic. After that, I'm also going to cook down the peppers and the Scotch bonnet. Then you want to add in the rest of your vegetables. So here I've got green beans, some peas, some sweet corn and some carrots, and you want to season it with some salt, garlic granules, black pepper, paprika and curry powder, and mix this all together. Make sure that seasoning is coated on all of those vegetables. Chuck in some fresh thyme and some washed rice, and then we're going to add in some vegetable stock until the rice is just about covered. You want to let this cook low and slow until you get a fluffy texture, and you can enjoy this delicious vegetable rice with pretty much anything. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.